A long-awaited review sample has finally landed in our studio here at Good E-Reader. This is the Onyx Boox Miro Pro 25-inch monitor. This is one of the largest e-paper products you can buy in a consumer form, and the most expensive Onyx product ever made. It has a 3200 by 1800 resolution with a 16 by 9 aspect ratio and 5 different ports on board. The monitor comes in two boxes, the box itself containing the monitor, and the stand in a separate box. All the materials are extremely high quality and very light, as they are all carved out of aluminum. Building the monitor is very easy and just requires a Phillips head screwdriver. All the bolts and hardware are included. There are only two monitors in the world right now sporting a 25-inch screen, and that's the Dasung 253 Paperlike and this one in question. The cables you'll get in the box are two USB-C cables, a power adapter, a wall port, and an HDMI cable. For now, this is everything that comes in the box with the brand new Miro Pro. Stay tuned for a full review in the week to come. For GoodEreader.com, this is Peter.